Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna learn Python DSA libraries. So now let's see what is Python DSA libraries. The DSA or that is the data structure and algorithm. So now let's see how the package or library to implement array in Python. So it can be implemented by the array library in Python is used to implement arrays in Python. The array module, by using array module, Python defines an object type that can be compactly represent an array of basic value. So now let's see about important methods. Array dot item size buffer info context extend. So now let's see the syntax. Importing array module, creating an array in Python using array module. So first you have to import array. Int array is equal to array dot array I. So this is how you have to initialize the array. 1 2 3 4 5 all should be in square brackets. So print int array of index 0 means 1. So I have already posted video about indexing. Now let's see package or library implementation. So what is DQ module in Python? So in Python, the collections module provide a variable DQ class which stands for double-ended queue. Already I have posted a tutorial about it. So just give a glance to that. Now you just know what is DQ. So here some of the methods are append dot element. Append left means it will be appending at left, clear, copy, count element, extend left, index, insert, pop left, remove, reverse and rotate. So all these were the types of DQ in which we will be performing all this operation using DQ. Now let's see the example for DQ library in Python. From collections import DQ, my DQ is equal to DQ, my DQ dot append 1. So like this you'll be using. Now let's see for implementing queue in Python. So the queue library in Python is used to implement queue in Python. So it is a class that implements multi-producer and multi-consumer queues. So the methods are queue.queueSize, queue.empty, full, put and get. Now let's see the example. Use the queue library. From queue import queue, my queue dot put 1, put 2 and put 3. The element is equal to my queue dot get, print element, print my queue dot empty, print my queue dot queue size. So all these are the types of queue methods we will be using in queue. So I hope now you understood how to use all this. Now let's see about hash map. So a counter in Python module which is specified designed for hashable objects. So now let's see the important methods. So there are counter elements, counter dot most common, counter dot subtract, counter dot total, counter dot update and counter dot from key. So all these are the methods for hashing. Okay, now let's see how to use the counter library. From collections import counter, my list is equal to create a list, my counter dot counter my list means you print my counter means it will be printing how much time. If apple means 3 times, so like this it will be counting. So for this only we will be using the packages this modules like this. Now package library to implement heap in Python. So in the previous video I have posted about different types of DQ, counters and various methods. Now let's see about package or library to implement heap in Python. So the heap module in Python provides a collection of heap based algorithms. So now let's see the important methods. They are heapify heap, hash push heap item, hash pop map, hash push pop, hash replace, merge, n largest and n smaller. So all these are the methods for importing in heap method. Now let's see the example to use heap library in Python. Import heap library. So first initializing the list, next heap.heapify list, print code. The created heap is code list. So this is how we'll be getting the output. Now let's see the packages to implement tree in Python. So now let's see the tree. So the tree library in Python used to implement a queue in Python. So a tree in Python, the library which provides a functionality for working with the tree structures. Now let's see the important methods. They are create node, tag node ID, remove node, get node, update node, contains parents, children, depth, size, height and show. Now let's see the implementation of bisect library. From tree live import node tree, creating a binary tree. After that adding nodes to the tree, adding more nodes to the left child, and here they have created a right grandchild node. They are printing the tree structure, and at last they are using the transpose of the tree. Okay, that is for that is for O of n time complexity tree dot show. So this will be the output format. By using the tree you can able to create a tree like structure in Python. So now let's see the library to implement bisect algorithm. So the bisect library used to implement queue in Python. So bisect module in Python provides functionality for efficient insertion into sorted list and find the insertion portion for new item. Now let's see the important bisect art. Insert next bisect, insert left right. So first they are importing bisect, creating a sorted list element to insert, find the insertion point, and so to the sorted element. So they have created the sorted list after insertion, new element inserted at the index 3. So in index 3 they have created the element. So now let's see how to package to implement interval tree in Python. So interval tree library in Python is used to implement queue in Python. So what is an interval tree module? It is a data structure designed to efficiently store and query interval ranges. Now let's see the important methods. So add interval, remove interval, search being, add being, clear copy, discard item size empty. So now let's see the example to how to use this interval tree. First they are importing the interval tree, import interval tree, interval, creating an interval tree, then adding the interval to the tree, query intervals, next printing, next they are iterating the most result to the ground. So this is how you will be using different types of modules. So thank you for your attention till now. Also if you found this video was useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you all. See you in the next video.